Hi, how's it going? Excuse me.
You're not going to be messing anything up?
No, you're good. You're good. I'm just walking. There's a certain decision that I needed to make that would set myself up for success for the weeks, the months, and years to come. And in this video, I'll be sharing what exactly that decision is so that you could also find success in your social skills building journey as well. I'll also be sharing a simple one-step formula that you could use to see results fast and actually see results in the first place. Now, there's a decision that I need to make near the beginning of my social skills building journey, because I would dive in head first into social situations and not really see any results at the end of it, because I didn't really know what I was doing. This changed when I was given the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Now, I found it to be a very helpful book because it showed certain actions to take that go along with certain principles that he teaches in the book. So you could take those things out and practice them. Now, whereas before, what I was doing is just diving headfirst, wanting to make friends. Sure, I knew I wanted to do that, but I didn't know what to do or what to practice. Now, the one decision that I needed to make was knowing what exactly I wanted and what exactly my goal was. But here's the game changer for me. Whatever it was that I was practicing, whether it was practicing just talking to strangers in general, practicing being more lighthearted, whatever it was, what I needed to do was decide which one of those I was going to practice in a certain moment. Whatever situation I was going to come across, I needed to decide that I was going to do a specific thing that would practice and hone a social skill that I was trying to get better at and improve. So, for example, for me, it was next time I'm in conversation with a stranger or with one of my friends, I'm going to smile. Simple, right? Or it could be the next time I talk to someone, I'm going to talk to them about what they're interested in, their hobbies, or get curious about what they've been up to, or a recent project that they're doing recently. Or I'm going to see if there's a moment in that conversation that I could crack a small little joke to hone my lightheartedness. And that's the decision that I need to make. And the simple formula that helped me improve my social skills was this. When I come across X situation, then I'm going to do Y. As I found that as I kept doing it over and over and over again, I found that it not only compounded, but as I did over the weeks and the months and even the years, that it became a part of who I am. So it's not just that I'm trying to practice smiling with people to come off as more lighthearted and friendly, but I became friendly. I wasn't just trying to be lighthearted, I became a more lighthearted person as a result. And that's what I noticed in my journey, that once you keep doing it over and over and over again, not only will you get better at it, but it will just become a part of who you are. And I honestly think that if you use the simple formula and the accompanying actions that go along with it, you will see results, and you could use those results to further improve and build your social skills for the next couple weeks, the next couple months, and the next couple years even. And if you just stick with it and keep doing it over and over again, I honestly think that you will get to a point where it just becomes a part of who you are and a part of your personality as well, like it has for me. You might be wondering now, what exactly are the social skills that I should be building right now? And I go into exactly that in this video right here, where I share 3 social skills that you could use to make friends easily. Check it out.